Hey, Scott Lara, thecruisegenius.com, on board the AmaMagna. Hey, Scott, hey, what? Guest laundry. What are you doing down there? Shouldn't Marty be doing the laundry? Well, Marty's not on this cruise. So here's the deal. Every day, except the last day of the cruise, you can just go ahead and put your laundry in a laundry bag and they'll do it for you. But this is the day right before we get off the ship, so you cannot turn your laundry in. So you can come down here to the guest laundry and do it for free. So it's gonna be a little loud in here, but let me just show it to you. Now look, they even have an ironing board, right? So if your wife wants to iron your shirts, you can come down here. So listen, look at this. Here's the instructions. Press the button, press that, load the clothes, detergent, softener, It tells you all right here, right? You can screenshot that if you want to. Hey Scott, hey what? What about the laundry detergent? Does it cost extra for that? No, everything here is free. Washing your clothes, drying your clothes, and the laundry detergent. Scott, where's the laundry detergent? Well, if you look right down here, Shazam! Laundry detergent. I guess it's both laundry detergent and, look at that. Don't eat it though. I guess it looks like candy, doesn't it? It's probably detergent and conditioner and shower rinse and everything all in one handy packet. P&G. Don't eat it. Willy Wonka. So then you come over here and just read the instructions. It'll tell you what to do. 1400 RPMs. And I got 46 minutes left. My laundry's cooking right there. You can see the soap. And then you just put it in the dryer. You have different options on that. But how cool is this? So if you need to do your laundry, it's the day before you're gonna leave and oh no, you can't get your laundry done, then come down to the laundry here on the piano deck of the AmaMagna. And right next to the laundry, while the wife is doing your laundry, throws it in there, she can go over here to the hair salon, get her hair done and nails done. Scott Lara, thecruisegenius.com, on the AmaWaterways AmaMagna. Have a great day.